Welcome to this geometry lesson on reflection. Today, we are going to learn how to reflect a point or a shape over the y-axis. This is a fundamental transformation in geometry that helps us understand symmetry and coordinate changes. First, let's define what a reflection is. A reflection is a transformation that acts like a mirror. It flips a shape over a specific line, creating a mirror image. The most important thing to remember is that the image is the exact same size and shape as the original, just facing the opposite way. In this specific lesson, our mirror is the y-axis. The y-axis is the vertical line that runs straight up and down through the center of our coordinate plane. When we reflect over this line, we are performing a horizontal flip, moving things from left to right or right to left. There is a very simple rule to perform this transformation mathematically. If you have a point x, y, the rule is to change the sign of the x-coordinate while keeping the y-coordinate exactly the same. So, x becomes negative x, and y stays y. Let's try this with an example. Suppose we have a point P at coordinates 4, 3. To reflect it over the y-axis, we take the x value, which is 4, and make it negative 4. The y value of 3 remains unchanged. Our new point, P prime, is at negative 4, 3. Here we can see what that looks like on a graph. The original pink point is on the right side. After reflecting it over the white vertical line, it lands on the left side. Notice that both points are the same distance away from the center line. Now let's reflect an entire shape, like a triangle. We do this by applying our rule to every single corner or vertex of the shape. For triangle ABC, we take every x-coordinate and multiply it by negative 1 to find the new coordinates for a prime, B prime, and C prime. Visually, the result looks like this. The blue triangle is our original shape. The pink triangle is the reflection. You can see it has been flipped horizontally over the red y-axis. It looks like a mirror image. There are a few key properties to remember. First, this transformation is isometric, meaning the size remains the same. Second, points are equidistant from the y-axis. And finally, the orientation reverses. If the original shape's points are labeled clockwise, the reflection will be counterclockwise. To summarize today's lesson, a reflection over the y-axis is a horizontal flip. The shape stays congruent. And the most important rule to memorize is that the coordinate x, y becomes negative x, y. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.